Spectrum router slow Wi-Fi. So a few things you can put in mind to potentially fix this. So if you're experiencing this on your Spectrum router, you can start with basic troubleshooting. You can go ahead and power cycle your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 to 60 seconds, then plugging the modem back in, and then you gotta go ahead and wait until it fully reconnects before powering the router. And make sure your router is placed in a central or open area away from thick walls, metal objects, and electronics that can cause interference. And also, you gotta connect nearby devices to the 5 GHz band for the faster speeds, while the 2.4 GHz for devices that are farther away. So, but that pretty much depends on you. You can also go ahead and reset your devices, since it could be the devices that's having the problem and not the internet connection itself. But to check this, you can go ahead and use an Ethernet cable to connect a router directly to maybe your laptop or PC, and then do an Mbps test to see if the internet is the one having the problem, like maybe a signal problem or something like that. And if you're not lagging anymore after using the Ethernet cable, then it's probably just the internet signal that's having a problem. And if not, then it's probably the device. You can also go ahead and find your My Spectrum app. You can download this in your Play Store, or you can go ahead to your preferred browser and just search for My Spectrum app, and you'll be able to get a download now option. So you can use this to help diagnose issues, since the app allows you to run a speed test. You can see the connected devices, and if you'd like, you can also go ahead and try to disconnect those devices that you aren't using to potentially give you better connection, since the more devices connected to the router and internet, the harder for the internet to divide the connection to each device. You can also reboot your router remotely, and you can check for outages in your area as well. So if speeds are still slow after the steps, you can try reducing the number of active devices, which we just mentioned, and you can update equipment if it is somewhat outdated. And finally, always end with the contacting Spectrum support through the app that you just got to check for signal or line problems. But those are a few things you can put in mind to potentially help you with this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.